Alright folks, we're looking at number 2 on section 4.5, and this topic is asking us to find the linearization when a is 4. So if you remember, your equation for linearization that we found in the last video was L of x equals f prime of a times x minus a plus f of a. In this problem, they are asking us first in part A to find the linearization, and then it's going to ask us how accurate it is. We'll talk about that. We're going to compare it to the original function f. So part A here, so we're basically going to just find this. So this is pretty simple because f of x is given. And we just basically plug it in. So L of x is equal to f prime of a is negative 4 times x minus negative 4 plus f of negative 4. So this is just f prime of negative 4 times x plus 4 plus f of negative 4. So now what we're going to do is we're going to just find each of these and plug them in. Relatively straightforward. So first is, let's find the derivative of f and then plug in negative 4. So f of x is x squared plus 9. The square root of the quantity x squared plus 9. So rewriting it to x squared plus 9 to the to the 1/2 power. And then we're going to take the derivative, so f prime of x is going to be 1/2 x squared plus 9, quantity to the negative 1/2 times 2x. And now I'm just going to simply plug in negative 4 here. So I get f prime of negative 4 is going to be 1/2 times negative 4, the quantity squared, plus 9, to the quantity of negative 1/2 times 2 times negative 4. And now we're going to simplify this guy here. So f prime of negative 4 equals, this is 1/2 times, this is 16 plus 9 to the negative 1/2 times negative 8. Rewriting, this is 1/2, that's 25. This is 25 to the negative 1/2 times negative 8. And now we rewrite again, this is 1/2 times 1 over the square root of 25. Just double check that, these are the properties of exponents, times negative 8. The square root of 25 is 5, so it becomes 1 over 2 times 5, which is 10 times negative 8. So we get negative 8 over 10, which is clearly negative 4/5. So this was f prime of negative 4. That was a lot of work, but I didn't skip any steps here. So this part here becomes negative 4/5 based on our work here. This stays as x plus 4. Now all we have to do is find just f of negative 4.